Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to withdraw Coinbase wallet funds to bank account. First of all you have to do is open your Coinbase app on your phone. Once the app has been opened, what you have to do is click on the asset which is on the bottom left side. Click on assets. On the assets page, you will be able to see all of your assets. For example, if I want to withdraw my DAI, which is $31 right now, what I will do, I will click on DAI. On this page, I'll be able to see all of the prices and all of the information about DAI. All I have to do is click on the More button, which is just beside the Buy button. A pop-up window will appear. You have to select Sell DAI. Again, a new page will open. From here, you'll be able to withdraw, or you have to enter the amount that you want to withdraw of DAI. Let's suppose if I want to withdraw 25 euros. So I will type 25 over here and then simply click on Preview Sell. Click on it. Again, a preview page will open where I'll be able to see my DAI price, add cash to Euro wallet, sale and everything else. Once I'm confirmed, I have to simply click on Sell Now button. Now once I have converted my DAI into euros, what I have to do now, I want to cash out my euros into my own bank account. Now on the assets page, this time you have to select your euro. Again, a preview page will open. From here, I'll able to see all of my cash ins and cash out on a single page. So if I have withdrawn 25 euros from DAI, then I'll be able to see DAI 25 euros on this page as well. What I have to do is simply click on Cash Out button. Now again, I have to type in the amount, which is 25 euros, and select the bank account, which is just above the typing or the keypad layout. Once I have selected my bank account, I will simply click on Preview Cash Out. Click on it, and you have successfully withdrawn Coinbase wallet funds to your bank account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.